As the automotive world increasingly turns to renewable energy sources, numerous opportunities and incentives are driving innovators to design and develop high-performance electric vehicles, as well as the renewable batteries to fuel them, charging stations to power them, and eco-friendly tires to carry them. At nVent HOFFMAN, we connect and protect electrical systems, making them efficient, resilient, and safer. As the world continues to invest in new technologies and infrastructure, we are well positioned to provide critical solutions for our customers' ever-changing needs. However, winning these races will take more than being first. It will take accelerating project lead times, adding production capabilities and manufacturing capacity, standardizing equipment across local and global facilities, ensuring resiliency in the most critical systems by protecting electrical equipment, electronics, and data, improving electrical safety to protect personnel and critical equipment, shifting gears as demands evolve rapidly, being faster and nimbler, all while optimizing operations and keeping processes flowing. We can help. We make it easier for manufacturers making electric vehicles, for manufacturers advancing high-voltage rechargeable batteries, for machine builders and systems integrators creating commercial charging stations, and for tire manufacturers re-engineering the wheel. For over 75 years, the nVent HOFFMAN brand has progressively delivered one of the industry's most comprehensive portfolios of innovative electrical enclosure and climate control systems. From tool-free, click-in technology to enhanced safety features and superior quality, nVent HOFFMAN solutions set a high standard end-to-end, making it easier, safer, and more cost-effective for automotive sector innovators like you to empower the future. We help connect and protect the future of a more sustainable and electrified world.